Hi friends, automating the backend of any company organization is now being a very common requirement. At Digician, this channel we are exploring on the ideas and the solution through which you can start your own digital business and you can make a permanent source of income for you by providing such solution. In this video, we are going to overview a complete ERP system through which you can offer any organization to automate their working like HR management system, accounting, or even attendance marking system. So I'm going to tell you all the screens that you can avail at the script that we are going to use for this option. And the script is very good and it is available just for $39. So around in $60 including server and all. You can launch this project, you can offer this project, you can use this project as SaaS solution for your earning purposes, your business model, or you can use this solution within your organization. It has got already a very good number of sales and very good reviews from the existing users. So it is a powerful HR and accounting CRM system. Let us overview this solution so that we may get all the ideas how we are going to use this, how the system is working. And if you are coming to this channel very first time, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button because you are going to get all the new things that you can use for your digital business and you can use at your organization. You can become a smart user of computer and all such things. Okay, so coming back to the point, and this is the super admin login of this CRM or ERP solution, and this is the dashboard. At the dashboard, we can get the basic idea what is going inside the system. Like this is a complete CRM or ERP solution, so we have all the things here, and the due amount and all the basic details, income versus expense, the expense report, the finance overview, and the recent activities, my task, announcement, and to-do list. Okay, of course. So I'm going to show you all the screens very quickly. And first of all, I'll show you the setting screen because as an administrator, you have to do this setting first of all for very first time. So this is going to be a white label solution. You can offer this solution to your potential client to automate their organization. So you can simply change the company name, legal name, contact person, and also details. System settings. Under system settings, we have all the basic settings like we can change the locale and the time zone and the attendance report settings, the default payment method, and also there are different payment methods. Since it is going to be a SaaS solution, so we can charge the amount for this for various activities, Google API keys, reCAPTCHA settings. So basic settings, all that you need to do at very first time. And default language, you can change the Chinese, the English, and all such changes are here. And this is a demo installation. So this is working in English, or we can change the locale as well. So just in case if it is like India, it is like Sanskrit, Punjabi, and all such basic language of India is available here. So just in case. Okay, now email setting. In the email setting screen, we have to update the PHP and SMT parameters. Similarly, the SMS settings can be done here to integrate the SMS solution. Email templates are here, email integration, and of course, we can have an email system. Payment settings, as I said, there are multiple payment gateways, and for especially for India, if it is this, so Razorpay can be used easily. Stripe is also here. Invoice settings, so the details of invoice, like what we want to display on the invoice and how it looks. So we can change the invoice logo, the details of invoice, and all. Credit note settings. Estimate settings. So it is a wide system, and don't assume it is coming in $36. So it is not going to give you complete solution. It is going to give you complete solution. This is the beauty of using scripts. Proposal setting, the purchase settings, the project settings, ticket and lead settings. I'm very quickly showing you a screen as system is very advanced and it is and going to help us in every manner in automating. So lead source settings, Google Leads, Facebook Leads. If we are running campaign, lead form settings, so we can change the lead form as well. Like this is the lead form. We can change the lead form fields and all. So I'm not clicking on her. Okay. So the opportunity settings, like business opportunity theme setting, that we are going to use at the front end. Dashboard settings, this is dashboard settings. So what you want, we want to show at the dashboard for very crisp reporting. Working days settings, this is an organization. Leave category, there might be certain leave categories. Income categories and the expense categories. Customer group, allowed IP to access this system. This is very good. A security setting, custom fields, the payment methods, the tags, award setting, award rule settings, the cron job settings. It is good for running the system smoothly on any server. Menu, notification, translation, and the system update, of course. So this is the basic setting that we need to do at very first time before we onboard on the system, and rest are the working screen. Like this is a super admin, consider yourself as super admin. This is calendar for task scheduling and all. So you can simply click on the area of calendar and you can add new tasks. So since it is a demo installation, it is giving the basic details of info task. Like this is the task, one of the tasks that is already here, and the details can be seen here. Next is the deals. What deals we are going to run through the system. Mailbox, what we have received as an update. The WooCommerce, of course, the WooCommerce orders can be integrated if you are running a website using WooCommerce. The products and customers can be handled through this ERP solution. So it is good. So you don't need to integrate additional things. So you are going to change all the things from here only, and you just need to integrate the solution in the stores. Similarly, the project screen gives us the idea about the projects, what is going. So I will show you. This is one of the project, allow clients to this is an advanced project stay. Similarly, the file manager can give us access on the uploaded file. We can use these files directly for various activities at the system. This is complete file management system. The file can be kept in any mode like HTML, JPG, or any such formats. Spreadsheets, again, this is a spreadsheet that you can add new files, add new folder, share the spreadsheets and all. This is one of the spreadsheets, so we can simply open the spreadsheet directly here. You don't need to fund the Word file separately. If it is uploaded, it can be opened directly here. Similarly, the contact can be maintained here. So as per your requirement or your company requirement, you can update the contact details. I'll show you the contact screen again. Okay, so you can add new contact here, like selected, and you can export the contacts in the different formats, like active contacts. So it is good. Next, I wish to show you the warning screen. This is warning screen. The leads. This is the super admin login. This is why it is showing most of the things, all the things. Similarly, registration. I'll show you the other like employee login screen as well, and even the client one. Like stocks is here. If it is being maintained through the ERP system, stock can be maintained, like supplier, the purchase, and all such details can be handled. And the return stock, if it is here, so you can check all these things. And the warehouse details, this is complete stock management solution if it is a production house, and the purchase payments and what had been transfer item from one warehouse to another, like this. And next, the sales report. again, it is going to be very important for an organization. This is the main area where we are generating income. So this is complete sales management screen, and we can check all the details. Like this is one of the sale, and the details can be seen here. Invoice, POS sales, point of sales, what had been made through the POS, the estimates of the sales, the customer notes, estimates and credit notes. Overall, part had been used through the system, reckoning invoice, the payment received, and the proposals. So I'll show you the proposal screen. This is a proposal screen, and the accepted, denial, and the draft status can be seen here. Okay, so the tax rates, the quotations, and the client award points, and the best selling items. Okay, so all these things can be handled from the sales area. Next is the ticket. This is for managing the supports through the system. Knowledge base for the employees and the workers at the organization, or even can be shared with anyone. Transactions, what has been done, like what is the expense, deposit, transfer, the transaction report, the transfer report, and the even balance sheet can be seen here. So this is the complete balance sheet of. Next is the bank and cash. So this is important in the transaction section. Next, I can show you the client list. This is the client list. I can show you one of the client list. This is the detail of one client, the contact details, the web and the hosting, the import client, and the client list can be seen here. Okay, so the departments within the organization can be set here. And the office asset, what assets are being used and how it is being handled under the office, like stock list, manage stock, assign stock, or the stock report, what is laying in the Godan or whatever. Next is the attendance management system. Of course, if there is an organization, there are employees, and if employees are there, attendance is going. The employee code is here, and we can simply mark the attendance week 20, and the attendance can be marked using this option. Okay, so week 21. So this is not available as in demo data. At timesheet request, like this is the time in and time out details of a particular employee. This is very good for reporting purposes, and this is the details of that particular employee for which we are checking the reports. So attendance report, again, by month and by period, it can be generated, and the report can be seen on the screen. Like data is not here, I cannot show you, but yes, and this is working fine. Mark attendance option is here for marking the attendance who is present, and so the checking, clocking hours, and the checking process can be done simply by clicking on this screen. Okay, wait. So this is attendance marking and attendance maintenance. Equipment management, so it's another solution, and here job can be posted and the job application can be handled. Payroll is another thing, like creating salary and all details, like this is payroll grades. Hourly templates, the manage salary templates, select department, and this is the grade A and the assignments of the payroll. Manage employee salary list, make payment for the calculated salary, select department, select month, and the salary can be paid directly from here. It is very simple, and the account, the salary account will be credited from this screen only. It's great. Generate payslip and the payroll summary, advance salary, the provident fund, and the overtime and the employee award. This is all great about the payroll management. Next is the performance. So we can use this all things for HR modules. So the like performance reporting, appraisal system, and the performance report. Similarly, leave management is also used like for leave, grant, and all. Training again remains a part of organization. So this is the training screen, and we can check the details as here. So what is the timing and what are the documents and draft files and all. Okay, wait. So next we have the announcement, the utilities again. So like holidays and the world tracking and the reports. As an admin, like every reports can be generated, project reports and the transaction reports, account statement, income reports, expense reports, and of course all income and all, ticket report and all great reports are here. So as an admin, you can generate any type of report, sales, bugs, tickets, client report and all. Okay, so you can maintain the user as well because you are going to be a super admin of this solution. So you can handle the users, enable, disable users, add new users, and the setting I have already shown you. Backup database is a regular task so that you may keep regular backup of this solution just in case for disaster maintenance and all. Private chat is another facility that you can use for chatting with the existing employee in the system. Again, there is a module screen and how many modules you are using or how you want to handle the modules available in the system. Like you can activate the modules like contract management, and you can simply deactivate the modules that is not being used to reduce the clutter of the system. So it is all great, and it is a complete ERP system as I said. So it is very, very comprehensive. And now I'm going to show you another screen so that you may get idea how the clients or the employer is going to use this. Now I'm logged in as a staff of this solution, and now I'm going to show you which screen I have. This is dashboard, and it is again showing the basic details inside the system, calendars, the mailbox, projects, file manager, tasks, bugs, the sales and the tickets. So the permissions has been changed as it was seen in the super admin. Now for staff it is limited access, and all the required things is here. Like staff can check all the performance, what he's offering to organization, leave, and staff can of course apply for a leave. So this is the apply leave option, and similarly the calendar can be set by the staff. What is the options, how the task is scheduled, like items can be added on the calendar, the items can be hid by the client, the pay invoice and all the details, and mailboxes can help the staff in creating and sending the mails. Similarly, the file manager again for separately for staff what he had uploaded in the system for further use, and the document management system is properly here. So the document can be uploaded or downloaded as per requirement using these options by the staff. Task what has been assigned, and so a staff can write a new task or check the details of task. New task can be uploaded here by the staff what has been in assignment for him or her. If it is any bugs can be reported here. Similarly, the sales invoice and all such basic things what is being used by the staff area, and the invoice can be created by the staff since the staff is working in the system. So staff can create the invoice, and these all details can be seen in the admin as we seen in the admin area. Estimates the recurring invoice and the payments received and all such details. Similarly, the tickets and new tickets. So these all area for a staff login, everything can be created. I mean, the details can be created by the staff for working in the ERP system, so that all the details can be managed digitally. So a staff is the person who is in creating data for the ERP or the CRM solution. And the HR part is being handled by the admin. So HR part is not for a staff, of course. So balance sheet and similarly the office assets, the attendance reports, like a staff can check the attendance report, or mark attendance option is outside the login. So a staff can mark the attendance from the before the login screen, because if the location access has been given to the system, the staff don't need to log in. Without login, the staff can mark the attendance. Next is the job posted as we seen in the admin area and all. So this is the staff login screen. Now this is the client login screen. So if the organization can create the login for their client, so that the client may check everything what is going uh, for them from the organization. So this is the client login, and this client login gives all the details to the client what is being offered through the organization. So this is a very good idea to share the reports and details of the work done. Like file manager again for clients and the mailbox projects and the estimates, and this is a refund item. Like for client it may be necessary, and the estimates what is going on the project, the quotations what has been given by the organization to the client, and the further settings. And again, private chat is here for the clients. So this is a complete ERP solution as I shown you in the screens, and you can simply avail the solution just for $39, and you need to have a shared hosting and of course a domain to run this ERP or HR accounting CRM system. And you might be thinking how you are going to onboard on this system. So you don't need to do anything, because we are going to install the system for you at your hosting, at your domain, and without any price. Yes, so it is going to be ready for you. You just decide to take this solution, and you just need to buy the solution through the video description link at codecanyon.net and get in touch with us. We are going to make it live for you. I believe you got all the points, how the system, how the ZiscoERP is going to be helpful for your organization for creating a digital business for you, and you are going to use this solution. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions through which you can automate your organization, you can work smartly, or you can start a digital business at your own. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.